I'm Sylvia from Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode I am making Korean chicken wings. These Korean chicken wings are full of flavor and they are so crispy, and they stay crispy until the next day. That's how crispy they are. Here are my ingredients: wings, gochujang paste, sugar, minced garlic, ginger, sesame oil, cornstarch, flour, soy sauce, and oil. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to start with our batter. Add your flour, cornstarch, and 1.5 cups of water. And this is not a thick batter, it's more of a loose batter, and that is perfectly okay. Go ahead and give this a good mix. After preparing the batter, take half of your wings and add them to the thin batter. And get them nice and coated. Next, add your oil to a hot pot. So we have about 1 quart of oil in here that is nice and hot. Take your wings and just kind of dip it in here and let go. After placing half of our wings in here, we're gonna let them cook for about 7 minutes and then we'll remove them. While the wings are frying, go ahead and add your second batch to the batter. We still have about 2 more minutes left on these guys before we take them out. Just making sure they're not sticking, and they are perfect. All right, so the first batch of wings are done, and don't worry about the color because we are gonna give them a second fry. So go ahead and remove them from the oil. Give these a good mix and go in and follow the same process. Just kind of dip the chicken in here and hold it for a quick second to let the coating settle and let go. And we're going to do that for each one of them. Place it in here, quick second, let go. After placing your second batch of wings in here, go ahead and let them fry for about 7 minutes. So while our wings are frying, we're going to start with the sauce. We're going to add our sesame seed oil, our garlic, and ginger paste. Give this a quick mix, and we're going to put this in the microwave for about 40 to 60 seconds. After pulling this out of the microwave, this is how it's looking. Now we're going to add about 1/4 cup of water to this, our soy sauce, our sugar. Guys, do not substitute this gochujang paste. This is what makes this dish delicious, okay? Find this, make sure you search every store out there and see if you can find it, because this is what makes these wings amazing. After getting our sauce ready, let's check on those wings. This is the last batch. I'm going to remove them from the oil and set them aside. So what we need to do is just let these sit for at least 2 minutes before we refry them. After they've been resting for about 2 minutes, they're nice and soft right now, so we're going to place them back in the oil for a second fry. So we're going to let them fry for about 7 to 8 minutes. Look at the colors on these. They're nice and crispy. Listen for yourself. Pure crispiness. Now, take these wings and toss them in this sauce. We'll give this a nice toss. Okay guys, so if you made it this far, like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. How about the taste test? These are so crunchy. Come closer. So crunchy. Sauce is so full of flavor. So good. You have to try these wings. They are amazing. Try it, come back, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys later.